In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the account owner in Zendesk. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Let's get started. First things first, you need to log in to Zendesk as the current account owner. This is essential because only the existing owner has the necessary permissions to make any changes to ownership. So go ahead and enter your credentials and log in. Once you're logged in, the next step is to navigate to the Admin Center. To do this, look at the top right corner of your dashboard for the product tray icon. It looks like a small grid of squares, sometimes referred to as the waffle icon. Click on that, and from the drop-down menu that appears, select Admin Center. This is where all the magic happens. Now, you'll want to locate the ownership settings. The path you need to take depends on the specific Zendesk plan that you're using. Here's how you can find it. On the sidebar navigation pane, you have a couple of options. If your plan allows, you can go to Account and then click on Account Owner. If you're on a different plan, try going to Billing and then select Contacts. Either way, you'll be heading toward the section where you modify the ownership. Once you're there, you'll see an Account Owner drop-down menu. This is your opportunity to select the new owner. It's really important to note here that the person you want to designate as the new account owner must already be set up as an administrator in your Zendesk account. If they haven't been added yet, you'll need to do that first before moving forward. All right, so you've selected the new owner from the drop-down menu, and everything looks good. The final step is to save your changes. Look for the Save button, usually located at the bottom or top of the screen, and click on it. By doing this, you're officially enacting the change, and the new owner will now have the management privileges within Zendesk. And there you have it. Changing the account owner in Zendesk is a straightforward process when you know where to look and what steps to take. Thank you for following along today. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful guides and tips. Remember, transferring ownership can be a crucial task, especially if there are changes in your team or organization. So make sure you always log in as the current owner, follow the steps we covered, and everything will go smoothly. If you have any questions or run into any issues while trying to change your account owner, feel free to leave a comment below. I'd love to help out and ensure your Zendesk experience is as seamless as possible. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.